How to add notes on Instagram. So if you want to add a note, just click on this inbox icon right here on your Instagram, and you can see in here this note option. Head over and click on this note option right here, and you can head over and add some notes that is actually visible for 24 hours, and friends can reply with a message for that. So for this case, you can add in here any messages, and you can also have the option to upload a picture or also an image. So for example, let's try to put in here the music, and then you can choose which music you want to have for this case. Let's add this music right here and click on check. And as you can see, we have now this note which has a high text and also a note that has a music text. So you can also choose in here who can reply. You can share it with your followers who follow back or to your close friends only. So for that, click on the share right here, and then you should be able to see that added on your notes. So that's how you add notes on Instagram. Hope we help.